Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best smoothie makers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Ninja Professional Blender. Ninja is known for its blenders and brings that expertise to its high-speed model. The blade structure is the most unique among all the models we tested, with 3 sharp blades separated by a few inches. Ninja says the stacked structure of the blades is designed to efficiently crush ice, blend and puree, and your tests bore that out. The blade piece is removable, which makes scraping out the food easier, though you'll want to be careful handling it, as the blades are extremely sharp. The BPA-free pitcher has a handy pour spout, great for serving smoothies and frozen drinks. The 1000-watt motor is powerful, though definitely on the louder side. Moving on at number 4, we have Instant Ace Nova Blender. This is a lot of blender for $120, in a good way. If you're a fan of the Instant Pot's interface with its easy pre-programmed settings, you'll love this model, which features 8 built-in one-touch blending options, for things like crushed ice, nut milk, smoothie and soup, and 3 manual blending speeds. The locking mechanism to set the 60-ounce glass jar in place and lock the lid is a nice safety feature, and with arrows to indicate the right position, it's simple to operate. They liked the stop-start mechanism on the crushed ice setting. It got the job done fast, and though the smoothie setting took 1 minute 38 seconds, which seemed a bit long, it yielded a great result. At number 3, we have Oster Pro 1200. The Oster Pro 1200 is the best budget blender for smoothies we've tested. Unlike the rest of the picks, this blender doesn't feel very durable. Its 48 ounces main jar is also the smallest, which might be an issue if you usually blend multiple servings. That said, it comes with a 24 ounces jar and to-go lid included, so you don't need to spend extra if you want a personal blending jar that doubles as a travel cup. When it comes to making smoothies, it doesn't quite match the virtually perfectly smooth texture you get with all of the previous picks, but it'll still do a fantastic job with most recipes. It easily crushes ice, but the manufacturer says not to add more than 6 ice cubes at once, while most full-size blenders can handle twice that. At number 2, we have Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo. Personal blenders are designed for blending up individual-sized smoothies. If you don't need a big capacity jar and don't care as much about having multiple speed settings, the Ninja Foodie Power Nutri Duo is a fantastic option. Its short, compact motor base makes it easier to bring in and out of a cupboard or store on your counter. The pair of 24-ounce personal jars can create a velvety blend with smoothie ingredients like leafy greens and berries. Like the Vitamix 5200, it can produce a nearly perfectly smooth blend very quickly. You can take your smoothie with you in the same jar since each comes with a matching spout lid. While you're limited by its smaller capacity, it's versatile. And finally at number 1, Vitamix 5200. The Vitamix 5200 is the best blender for smoothies we've tested. This sturdy, premium blender might be overkill if you want a blender for simple smoothies, but if you're looking for a durable machine and the smoothest blends, it's a great option. It comes with a 64-ounce jar to accommodate big batches and easily makes an incredibly smooth puree with ingredients that some blenders struggle with, like leafy greens or fruit skin. It only comes with 1 jar, but it's fantastic for blending smaller batches when you want a smoothie for one. If you want a smaller jar for single-serve smoothies, it's possible to purchase a personal-sized blending jar separately from Vitamix.